Hi everyone, this is half section and elevation of slab culvert which I have already provided. This is section on BCEF, and in this video I will provide bars on slab. I will provide main bar, also distribution bars on slab. This is slab, here I will provide bars in this video. So this is section on ABCD. This section line ABCD. Here main bar 16 mm dia and spacing 10 cm center to center. This is main bar. And distribution bar, these are the distribution bar, and this is 10 mm dia and 22 cm spacing center to center. This is the section line ABCD. And here this is the main bar and these are the distribution bars. So now here I will provide bars, main bar, also distribution bars. So give offset distance 0.05 meter. Select this line and click on upward direction. Select this line, also click to this side. Now trim all the extra lines now. Trim this line, also trim this line. Now here we need to provide hook here. Here this is the main bar. But here this will be the distribution bar. In this section we can see the distribution bar here. This is 10 mm dia distribution bar, 22 cm center to center. I'll copy this. So here this is the distribution bar, 10 mm dia and 22 cm center to center. This is the distribution bar, and diameter is here 10 mm, because here we can see the distribution bar like this. Here section line is BCEF. So this is the, you can see hook is 9D. 9D means 4D, one side 4D, plus 4D plus 1D. Both side 4D plus 1D. 4D plus 4D plus one side 1D. D is diameter of bar. Hook is total 9D. 4D plus 1D, which this I have already told before. So here we have to provide hook. So here 4D is 4 into diameter is 10 mm. This is the distribution bar. You have to remember this. In this section we can see distribution bar like this. This is 10 mm dia at the rate 22 cm spacing center to center. This is the distribution bar, we can see like this here. So this is 40 mm, 40 mm, 4D. This 4D, this is 1D, and this side 4D. Total 9D. This is the hook. This is 10 mm dia, D is 10 mm dia. This is distribution bar. You have to remember, in this section we can see this. We can see the distribution bar like this. But this section we are this distribution bar like this. This is the main bar. Here you can see here to here this distance is 0.064. Because 16 mm dia, that section, main bar, and this is main bar here. This is distribution bar, so offset 0.04. 40 mm, 0.04. Give offset this side Click here. Now we have to give offset of 1D here. So give offset distance 0.01. 4D 0.04, 1D 0.01. Now you can see this is here to here, this is 0.01, and this is here to here, this is 0.04 meter or 40 millimeter. This is 4D. Now trim all the extra lines. Delete this line. This is the hook. Now we need to fillet this. So fillet. We have to fillet this with 1D. Fillet. Radius is already provided. Now fillet this. They already provided. Fillet this. Now delete this line. Now I will show you. This is here to here 0.04 meter 4D. Radius. This is 0.005 meter. If I check diameter, that was radius. Diameter will be double. This is 0.010. Okay. Diameter is 0.010. This diameter. If I check radius, you can check. This will be the half 0.005 meter. This is radius. This is diameter. So this is 1D. 1D is dia of bar. This is 4D. 0.04 meter. So this is the hook. This is the distribution bar. Now here below the distribution bar we can see main bars. Here in section BCEF, here this is the main bar. We were seeing the main bar like this, and distribution bars are like this. But here we can see the main bar. I'll copy this reference. This is main bar 16 mm dia and distribution bar 10 mm dia. This is 10 mm dia distribution bar and main bar I'll provide here. Here main bar we can see below the distribution bar. So circle diameter is 10 mm, means 0.016 meter. This is 16 mm dia. Sorry, main bar is 16 mm dia. Diameter 0.016 meter, because this is 16 mm dia. This is main bar is 16 mm dia. You can see diameter and radius also. Radius is half. Now I'll hatch this. I'll do solid hatch. Solid hatch. Click inside. So this is main bar. You can see main bar like this on this section. So I'll change the layer. This is main bar. Now I'll move, and this is the distribution bar. Change the layer. This is the distribution bar. And here, this is the main bar on this section. This is the main bar. And these are the distribution bars on this section. Section in ABCD, and this is section in BCEF. So I'll move this to here. Select, move, center point, and I'll paste here. This is the main bar. Now here spacing we need to provide 10 cm spacing. Main bar 16 mm dia at the rate 10 cm spacing center to center. Center to center spacing is 10 cm. So copy, select this, spacing is 10 centimeter. So this is the center point. Center to center distance, make ortho on, and 10 centimeter spacing. So specify the spacing 0.1, enter. 10 centimeter, 0.1 meter, again 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. You can copy at a time also, or one by one you can provide dimensions. 0.9, now 1 meter, now 1.1 meter. You can also copy from by taking a reference or a base point, but here I am giving that distance 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. Now 2. You can copy also. Instead of doing this, you can directly copy by taking a base point. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. Now this is done. This side we can't see. This side we can't see any bars, because that side we will see the front elevation. Only this side we can see bars. So this here. Hatch, I'll hatch this. This will be concrete hatch. Now I'll match properties from this. I'll do match properties. Select and do match properties. Now I have provided main bars. Main bar, you can see this is distribution bar. Also I have provided main bars. This is distribution bar. 10 mm dia, and spacing is 22 centimeter center to center. 10 mm dia at the rate 22 centimeter center to center. Spacing is 22 centimeter, and these are the distribution bars. This is main bar. Now I provide this, mark this, also this is main bar, 16 mm dia at the 10 centimeters and spacing center to center. These are our main bars. On this section we can see, I'll check the diameter here. Right click, send to back. Now I can check the diameter. You can see this is 0.016 meter or 16 mm dia. So 16 mm dia and spacing 10 centimeter. The center to center spacing we can check. This is center to center spacing 0.1 meter or 10 centimeter spacing. So these are the main bars. Here these are the main bars. We can see main bar below the distribution bar on this section. Now here this is 0.5 meter. This is 0.4 meter. 0.5 meter. Here this is also 0.4 meter parapet wall, 0.4 meter parapet wall, 0.5 meter also parapet wall, 0.5 meter. This is coping, 0.1 meter. Now tinted it. You can keep the dimension like this. I'll do like this. So 0.5 meter with the brickwork. Here to here, this distance 0.9 meter. You can check. Now here to here, this distance 0.48 meter. Now I'll tinted it. Bring the text, dimension text to here. Now trace this to this point. We'll keep the dimension here like this. This is construction line. You can check here. You can check. This line. From here to this distance, this is 0.9 meter. You can check from previous section also. Here, this is roadway, 4 meter roadway. You have to mark this. This is 4 meter roadway. 4 meter roadway. Here to here. This is 4 meter. You can check. So I have mentioned here. This is 4 meter roadway. So I'll write this. Go to quick properties. I'll text override. I'll write this is 4 meter roadway. This is 4 meter roadway. Here to here. This is the 4 meter roadway. So this is the section, half section and elevation. This is 0.1 meter or 10 centimeter varying course. 0.1 meter or 10 centimeter varying course. I'll mention here. And to mention here, I'll mention here. This is 10 centimeter varying course. I'll mention here this. You can, if you want to create a new text, you can. And this is 10 centimeter varying course. This is, I'll mark the text here, 0.5 meter. This is 0.8 meter, it's 0.3 meter thickness of BCC. This is parapet wall, primary parapet wall, secondary parapet wall, and this is coping, 0.1 meter or 10 centimeter coping, and this is 0.15 meter. It's 0.15 meter. This side also same, 0.15 meter. So this is the half section and elevation of slab culvert. This is section and BCEF. So here we will see the bars like this. We will see the distribution bars first, then below the distribution bar we can see the main bars. Main bars, these are the main bars and this is the distribution bar. Distribution bar and these are the main bars. And fork is 90, 40 plus 40 plus 1D. This is distribution bar and these are the main bars. 16 mm dia and main bar is 10 mm dia. Sorry, distribution bar is 10 mm dia and main bar is 16 mm dia. So I'll copy this text. I'll rename this. This is half section and elevation and BCEF. So in this section we will see the distribution bar first, then below the distribution bar we can see the main bars. We have to remember this. You can see the section, you can understand, see the plan, go through the plan properly, you can understand this. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.